me get this hair out of my mouth. Oh, oh so hot. Okay, so my hair, twisting anti-clockwise. Right, oh my god, there's a bobby pin in there. Okay, it's really, really hot today. Like, really hot. Top. I can see that red square, I'm going out of focus. Pourquoi, camera? Okay. Hi, welcome back. I recently asked on my YouTube community posts which decade you would like to see me recreate some styles from, and the answer was the 1960s. So today I'm going to show you how to create a really simple style inspired by Joyce Taylor, who played Princess Antilla in Atlantis in 1961. It's a simple half up, half down style, and it's really pretty, so yeah, keep watching. Okay, so my hair to begin with is just relatively, well, it's freshly washed last night. I washed it and I just dried with this hot brush, which is, I believe, a Babyliss Keratin Shine. It is relatively good at just rounding the edges of my hair, and I do like it. If you see in the photo of Joyce Taylor, which I'll link down below, her hair is relatively natural at the ends, so that's what we're going for today, just relatively natural ends, no curl, just kind of blow dried under, almost, not too flicky. Okay, to start with, we're going to split our hair, I want to say in half, but actually it's a little bit bottom heavy, so probably start just near your temples, just above your ears, and go back from there with your index fingers, meet in the middle, and then separate your hair. Doesn't have to be perfect. So let me show you. We've got there. And for the moment, ooh, out of focus, weird. For the moment, just going to put this bit away. Just going to tie it up. Thus. So, you've got all of this at the back here. Okay, split this hair into two. And you're going to be working on one side or the other, so choose which side you're more comfortable kind of working with your hair on. I choose the left hand side, bring both pieces over, and then you're going to make a rope braid. So the trick with rope braids is to not have them unravel once you've styled them, and to do this, you may know this already, you twist both sections one way and then cross them over each other the other way. Does that make sense? So if you're twisting initially anti-clockwise, as I am here, so I'm twisting this one anti-clockwise, la 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 la, and then I'm twisting this one also anti-clockwise, twisty, 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 twisty. You can do it with your finger, just nice and tight. Right the way down to the bottom. You're kind of actually getting some tension on those braids while you're twisting, because we want no sagginess over here. You're going to need to use all of the length of your hair, and for the majority of you, this section that we're twisting now is going to be the longest part of your hair because it's at the bottom, at the back. So if you have layers, very usually these bits at the back are the longest parts. So we're just twisting. Keep on twisting. You see, I'm desperately trying not to put my hair in my mouth in my videos because I know people don't like it. Twisty twist, twist, twisty twist, twist, twist. Okay, right, so I've twisted anti-clockwise, I keep saying it, anti-clockwise, and now I'm going to wrap the two pieces in the opposite direction, which for me is clockwise, and I'm pulling nice and tight each time. If you feel your two sections coming apart, you can just stop and twist them again anti-clockwise, and then keep going clockwise and pull each time. so that your rope braid is nice and tight. And again, since my last video, I still haven't bought a mirror to look in, so my myopic eyes are trying to peep into the little camera viewfinder, what's it? So I'm desperately hoping this is all in focus and that you can see what I'm doing properly. Right, so here, oh, I've not done it close enough to my roots. Okay, well, we'll just see how we go. Okay, so we've got a rope braid here. It's very nice. If I secure it here, it won't come undone because we've done the correct twisty formation. Right, now we don't need this rope braid for the moment, so you need to somehow secure these twists. And I'm going to do it with a couple of bobby pins just at the bottom because my daughter's hair has grown a lot and she now uses hairbands too. So my hairbands disappear in my house. Woo! Telephone. So now we have to deal with the top half of our hair to make it look beautiful and princessy. 1960s princess. And we're going to do that by, you might guess, backcombing the top bit backwards. Backcombing it backwards. Okay. To assist in my backcombing today, I have got the very useful yet stinky L-net, standard really for hairspraying. We want all the hair on this top portion of our head to go backwards. We're not backcombing hugely, so I want there to be volume in the front part of this style because behind that is going to be the rope braid and we don't want to be, there's no point in volume being behind that bit. So we're going to put the rope braid just behind the crown, so all of the bit before the crown is going to be backcombed. So section from the crown of your head, oh, can we be clever here? Section from the crown of your head to your ear. Don't get any of the bit that you've caught up in your rope braid caught up in your comb because that would be rubbish. And don't put it in your mouth. And from the crown of your head down to the ear.
So what I've done is backcombed in around inch sections with a tail comb and some spray, just doing the same number of pushes down towards my root for each section of hair, and I worked my way from the crown forward to my hairline. Now sometimes this works better than others. I was very hot today. It's very difficult to do this. It didn't really turn out as expected, this backcombing, but you know, I just keep on keeping on, persevering. So you're making little C-shape movements towards the base of your hair to really build up stability at the roots and the ability to get steady volume. I've actually made a video about backcombing and I will link it in above.
Okay, once you have backcombed the front section of your hair, you're going to want to move it away from your face so the style is swept back almost. So using just not the pointy bits of the comb, not the tines, but the flat edge of the comb, smooth your backcombing away from your face. Now, because I have a fringe, I'm actually going to secure that backwards so it doesn't ruin the kind of shape of the hairstyle as a whole. I'm just going to do that with the aid of the side of the comb and some spray. Don't think I'm going to have to secure it with bobby pins, but certainly if you needed to you could. Well, I might have to actually. Maybe just a little bit more backcombing here. I'm going to put some bobby pins in it and then I'm going to cover those bobby pins with my rope braid so it's not going to matter. So smoothing back the front and just giving it a little bit of a boom, forward. Spray again. And then just a couple of bobby pins right behind that bump. So we're not going for like a pomp or what people might term as a quiff in the front, but more of a uniform, voluminous area.
Ultimately what I'm trying to get is a nice smooth line from hairline back to crown, but it was kind of eluding me today. It's quite frustrating. But I just wanted to make sure that my hair was nice and smooth to my ear, and I used some bobby pins just to pin that back. Now what you want to do is take your rope braid, and unless your hair is super long, you're going to have to pull it really, really tight over your head to try and get it as far over as you possibly can towards your other ear to make it a full headband. Now obviously if your hair is shorter, you can cover up the gap with a flower, or you can do 2 rope braids and meet them in the middle of your hair and hide the ends. That might look very pretty. And now simply take the securing pins from the bottom of the rope braid and hide it under your hair behind your ear. Now you will see that Joyce Taylor's is massive, but obviously I'm pretty sure she had a hairpiece. This is a really nice wearable everyday look, I think. I really, really like it. And I think it's important to show that sometimes simple hairstyles aren't actually as simple as they look.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Let me know in the comments section down below what you think, and also what other hairstyle videos you would like to see. I'm planning on doing hopefully 2 videos a week, one hairstyle tutorial and one home inspired vintage retro tutorial, but we'll see how it goes. That's the plan. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I think I should have said that at the beginning of the video, not the end, but never mind. If you're still here, please subscribe. Make sure you click the bell underneath here somewhere, and that will mean that every time I upload that you are notified and you don't miss a video. Thanks again guys, see you later, bye.